How to clear Reels history on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to clear Reels history on Facebook. So in that case, you have to open up a browser. You cannot do it with the help of an application. So on the web address bar, go ahead and type in facebook.com/login. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now when you're on this page, what you have to do is you have to go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right left hand side bar, and then it's going to take you to your profile history. On this page, you need to scroll down a bit and go to the three dots icon. When you tap on the three dot icon, it's going to show you this sort of pop-up menu. So go ahead and click on activity log. As you click on activity log, it's going to show you all of the information. So here you have to go ahead and press on viewed videos you've watched. You could go ahead and press the arrow icon in the bottom right hand side and click on clear video watch history. So if you're sure about it, click on clear and you'll have successfully deleted or cleared your reel history on Facebook. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.